Hello, I'm Michael from Hypers for Home, and today we're going to be discussing the use of hyperbaric oxygen therapy and anti-aging. Now, there are many reasons why hyperbaric will help with anti-aging, and some of the internal ones might just be from increasing the mitochondria for cellular repair and lengthening the telomere process. But we're going to be talking more about the external appearance. So for anti-aging, for externally, one of the best things it does is it improves skin texture. So it will smooth out the skin, and most people love this done for their face. Another thing that it does is it reduces the appearance of scars. So if you take a scar, for example, on your face or on your leg, it just reduces the appearance of it so you don't see it as clearly and it kind of dissipates. Another thing it does that people love is it promotes collagen production. Everyone's drinking all these collagen drinks, but ultimately hyperbaric will work a lot better to produce collagen in the body. It will also promote skin cellular regeneration and growth, and also decreases inflammatory genes. But overall, most people do it because it enhances their skin overall health and appearance. If you have any other questions about anti-aging, you can reach us at hypersforhome.com.